Keep your head down, it's safer.
Just looking out for a while.
We'll be there soon.
Don't worry, little one. It will be okay now.
Okay, Mama.
That's my brave girl. Come on, kids, let's get inside.
Hold my hands tight, dears.
Is it still raining?
Platform tickets, please. 3 for Chennai. That'll be 90 rupees. Here you are. Next in line, please.
Just these two. Thank you.
Right, tickets for Madras.
Look, there it is. Wow. Papa, Papa, there, look. Come on, little one.
Okay, Papa.
Hurry, children. It's time.
All right, kids, get your seats.
Window seats. Window seats.
It's raining.
Watch your step.
Look at that.
Chai, garam chai. Samosa, garam chai. Bhai, garam chai dena, please.
Look at this. He's flying. Ha 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 ha. I know. Look at him. Here, have some more.
It's delicious, Grandpa.
Yes.
Eat well, everyone. More, please, Mom.
The rain is heavy tonight. Yes, but we are cozy in here.
Sleep now, my loves. We'll be there soon.
Finally, we're almost home.